Hi, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is how to play Stickyball Pool, or billiards. Again, it's kind of making a physical interaction with the game and connecting that into something from real life in a way that does not necessitate you buying a billiards table for your classroom. In order to get the kids to practice using English, though, for them to take a turn, I will say someone on this side and someone on this side can go first. And they stand up and they play paper, scissors, stone. Whoever wins, that person can take the first turn. But wait a minute, the loser, can you please ask the class a question? And then he or she says their question, everybody answers. Good job. Okay, there's a spot that I mark on the floor at which the kids need to throw the ball. But go ahead, you can throw the ball and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so what we are doing is we're going to line this up. So I'll use my little broom here to be the thing. And if we can say that this is the cue ball, would it hit this red ball into the hole? Then we would say yes. Okay, we also need a place to keep score. So let's say that this team, good job, you got it. And this is erased. And the place where they hit the ball, they threw the sticky ball, that becomes the new location of the target ball. So go ahead, you can throw again. This time I would stop it it would be that person's turn is over and the loser can go. So go ahead, loser. Okay, does that hit into one of the pockets? No, it does not. So no point for you. The ball moves to here, which might be easy for number 3. So then I would get number 3 and number 4, stand up, paper, scissors, stone, and then the winner gets to go first. Go ahead. Oh, maybe. And so here, as a teacher, you can kind of jimmy the thing and see, do I want this kid to go, yes, okay, made it in. Or do I want him to miss, oh, so close, sorry, no, it didn't work. But I do that sometimes just to keep the game close to make sure that everyone still has a chance to win. But that's how you play Stickyball Pool.